Do you want to know how you can schedule your transfer on Wise? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can schedule your transfer on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open wise.com on any of the browser you have and log into your account. If you don't have your account yet, you can register to Wise now. So after you log into your account, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and click on schedule your transfer. So the first thing is you want to select the currency from here. After you select the currency, select the amount. So go ahead and write down your card number or change the payment method if you have already entered your card number. And then you can see the total amount over here, and you can also convert it to other. You can see that the currency has been changed and the amount has been changed as well. So you can see that you must enable the schedule option over here, and you must select the date of the schedule. So you can select this date over here, and you can also go to repeat over here. So you can repeat this transaction, and you can also keep the end date. So let's go ahead and select the end date like this, and you can see the constant schedule being created. So you can click on continue and the schedule will be created. So guys, this is how you can create a schedule on Wise, or the transfer schedule on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.